So do you want to lift your bike like that? DIY project for under $10. Stick around and I'll show you how it's done. So these are our materials that we're going to use on the project. 3 pieces of timber there that I got at a scrapyard. They're each a metre in length. Picked it up for $10. I got this bad boy here for free. That's going to be our handle. So I'll just show you guys what it's going to look like. So when it's screwed in, this is what it's going to look like. This just needs to go flush with that wood. So when it's screwed in, this is exactly what it's going to look like. That goes under the bike, and that bad boy there is your handle that you're going to lift the bike up with. So let's get on with it. You're going to need some wood glue and a few different types of nails and screws. I got 8 centimeter long big screws. You can use what you like really, as long as it sort of holds together. That's all you want. So that's what it looks like. It's all done. Now this handle has got to go in there, bit of glue, and screw it all down, and Bob's me uncle. So this is the end product of my DIY project for under $10. Let's see how it works. So this is your handle here. So you just rock the bike back a bit, and then just push this back, and the back end of the bike lifts up. And there you go. Bob's me uncle. DIY project for under $10, a bike jack or a bike lift, whichever way you want to call it. And for the test, let's see if this back wheel turns. And it's turning. So there you go. DIY project done for under $10. You can't go wrong. Fuzzbuzz does it again.